Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this video is for how to do your math video notes. This is just for your math notes. So you can see I'm on the math application Schoology page. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on lessons. When I click on lessons, you should be able to see the folder that we're on. This folder contains lesson notes, video links, practice set videos, and starred problems video for lessons 1 through 5. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on lesson 1 because that's the one we're on. And these are the video notes. Now you will be receiving these video notes on paper. So if you want to handwrite your notes, you are more than welcome to do so. However, you can also download this file. So you would click here and then it says open with Word. Okay. And then you have to come up here and click Enable Editing. And you'll want to save this. You see how it says Read Only up here? It's not going to let you type anything until you save it. So you do File, Save As. You'll click on your OneDrive. And you'll go to your 2021 Math folder. I'm not sure if we made one of those. We'll have to make one if we didn't. But that's where you'll save it if you want to do it digitally. Now, one thing you should know if you do decide to do this digitally, and this is the same for the science notes, if you're typing an answer, let's say I'm just typing an answer here, and I get to the end of the line right here, I have to manually put my cursor down here and type. If I don't, let me show you what happens. I'm typing, and it goes away. It doesn't go to the next line on its own. This is something that people normally don't believe me until they actually end up deleting some of their notes that way. Either way, so these are the notes for this lesson. There's a link here, and you can press Control-click to get to that link. Or, let's go back to our here. And we'll go back to our lesson. So if I go back to lesson 1 and I click on my link to lesson 1 video, and we click go, I guess we're going to watch
if you only list your vacation home on Airbnb, you might have chosen someone.
Skip the ad, and here's my video. So here's my video. Sometimes if you want to watch your video and type your notes, if you'll grab your screen here, click it and drag it over here, and then you click this. You can type your notes while you watch the video. That's kind of easy. Or if you have this in written form, if you have it on paper, you can write it down. The reason that we do notes is normally you're doing notes for the lesson that we're doing the next day. So it gives you a heads up on what we're going to be doing the next day. It gives you kind of it's the first time you will have seen some of this information, although the first semester is normally review, but it will be maybe the first time you've seen this information. We will walk through the first 5 lesson video notes as a class, so you can kind of see what you need to write down, how the notes work, etc. You do not turn your notes in for a grade. However, if you don't do your notes, you'll find that you do worse on the tests. When to ask questions? You should ask questions anytime you have one. So if you're doing your notes and you don't understand why something goes somewhere, or something is weird on the notes, or the link doesn't work, or what have you, please let me know. If we're in class, raise your hand. If we're not in class, feel free to email me and I'll be showing you how to do that. After the first 5 lessons, you're going to do the video notes for homework, because you'll be doing the practice set in class. It's called a flipped classroom. So hopefully the video notes are supposed to be really easy, that you go through it and you fill in the blank. And hopefully you'll do the hard part, which is the practice set or written practice in class with me. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.